What would normally be a chilly morning hike that leaves my hands frozen is now a peaceful and relaxing hike that leaves my hands actually a bit sweaty by the time I get home. All thanks to my new heated gloves with adjustable settings. And these gloves from WASOTO come shipped to your door with everything you need to warm your hands too. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a travel bag, a charging cable, and last but not least, your heated gloves. If you unzip the pocket on the top of the gloves, you can find your rechargeable battery. Now this battery charges using the wall plug from earlier, so keep track of your cable as it doesn't charge with normal USB options. Inside the pocket, you can find the cable to connect your battery and power your gloves. Plug that in snugly, put back in your battery, and zip the pocket shut. Now you can push and hold the power button to turn on your gloves. It has a battery level display, as well as 3 different heat levels that you can cycle through. The gloves also have a nice little hanging strap to get them out of the way or hang to dry. These gloves are waterproof and windproof. They're easy to slide on and feel good to wear. I still have good motion on my hand and can actually feel the heat kicking in already. You can adjust the strap in the middle to tighten the glove around your hand, as well as pull the quick release bungee to tighten it around your wrist one-handed. And by the time you get the gloves adjusted, you can already feel the warmth around the tops and bottoms of your hand, as well as the tops and bottoms of all the fingers. When you tighten the gloves down to your hand, it really holds in the heat, and you may want to turn them down to prevent sweaty hands. It's already getting pretty toasty, so I went out to the hiking trails. It was a frosty and cold morning. You could see my breath, but my hands felt great. They're a bit bulky, so to use my phone and adjust camera settings, I had to take off a glove, but I was able to easily slide them on and off, then tighten them back to my wrists to keep the warmth in, all with my one hand that was also holding a camera. These let me keep working and feel great while doing it. Not only that, but I don't want to take them off. These are my favorite new gloves, and I can't wait to take them with me snowboarding and on some winter adventures when it finally snows here. When it's fully charged, you can get up to 8 hours of warmth on the lowest setting, so I'm excited to test them out in some colder environments. So until then, I'm gonna go charge my gloves and get ready for my next hike. See ya!